bum 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 bum. Thinking the bum bum.
We whistle while we wait.
Traitor.
He says he's like half gay, like he's heterosexual.
What's that mean?
I don't know, it means you're gay. I'm Brian Mindy and I beat off in class all the time.
I'm Paige.
Paige.
I wanna fuck myself. Oh my god. Paige is so hot.
Oh my god. Wait, you wanna see my dick?
No. Oh my god.
Oh, you love my dick.
You get it off me.
You love my dick. You love my dick.
Get it off me.
Why don't you want my dick?
Because you're gross. I'm not gross.
Hey, I just want them. Can I touch your tits, please?
No.
Let me touch your boob.
No.
Let me touch your boob.
Okay.
Touch my dick.
No.
You have to touch my dick. No. Yeah, Mr. MJ's coming. Mr. MJ's coming. Oh, shit. Touch my dick.
No, Brian. That's
Stop my dick.
No, Brian.
Get
No.
on your Dog. 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 Dog, 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 dog. God, this is women abuse. Not woman abuse, it's fag abuse. You schizophrenic bitch. Oh yes, I may be big and fluffy, but I'm bigger than you. Oh, wow. Oh my god.
I can't see you anymore.
Why not?
I have a boyfriend.
Don't
Hey, girls.
What the hell?
And a boy. So you have a problem with my girlfriend, huh?
Okay, you sound gay to me.
I'm straight.
Mr. Blanky.
Oh my god, Blanky.
Right in front of me? Really?
Oh my god.
What the fuck?
What?
Fuck off, blanket.
Ow. Oh. Ow. 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 Go see the bond. My glasses are gone. Okay. I'm still alive.
Fuck off,
Don't
blanket.
touch me. You don't touch me. That's it.
Ow.
That's it. Whip. Oh, this hurts my butt.
I give up.
Get out of here. Get out of my house. We're done.
The world is a meaningless place if I can't fuck your booty.
Oh my, you've heard me long enough.
Oh my god!
Honey, I think he's dead. Honey, I think he's dead. Oh my god, he never died.
You know how weird it's gonna be to have a ghost stick in your vagina.
Just let me go. Let me go, babe. You can survive without me, okay?
Let him go. Let him go. I'll hold you for the rest of your damn dear life.
Not on my watch, buddy. You know what?
What?
Goodbye.
And now, from all the way from Lebanon, Pennsylvania, to tell her life story, we have Paige Zimmerman.
Nice me. Brave. For now, at least.
Look at that bitch. Go away! Come on! Damn it, go away! Get the fuck out. Children of the damn corn.